from behind the door is where the man of God comes in and walks through this corridor. And there's a stairway here. You can see the stairway. Follows the stairway to climb up. The whole of this place is the stage. This compartment, this small place here, could be a sitting area for some of the men of God. And this is the stage for you to walk in. So here, where Pastor D is cleaning, is going to be a ramp. You can wheel someone up into the stage. And this small compartment here is a room for the lead singer for the choir. This spot where the yellow thing is, and up in front there is where the choir conductor stays, right here. Choir conductor stays here, then the lead singer stays here. Choir conductor stays to conduct the choir. This is the choir area. It's built like a mini stadium to make sure that people, wherever they're seated, they can be seen. This is the stairway for the choir to come up the stage. Inside there is for the drummer. This is the lead guitarist. This is the rhythm guitarist, and over there, the keyboardist. So this is much we've done. Back. So we are bringing all together 600 blocks. Yes, thank you. Thank you. You just leave 140 here, then take the rest to the back. This is our front decks. It's been built into a shelf. It's a 2-layer shelf. So when you come into church this way, this is the front of the church, and you're walking like this, you meet the front desk. It's going to be well decorated, and that's our toilet area, well covered. See, so work is ongoing. We've been told that the cost of the porta cabin is about 60,000 kula just to set it up, but we're trying to see if we can bargain it down. Everything you see done so far, I'll say to you, all the block work you saw there, all the woodwork you saw there, has been the effort of the man of God. These blocks you're seeing here, about 400 of them, Isaac brought them. All these blocks you're seeing here, Isaac brought them. So I don't know what you want to do. Today Isaac brought 400 blocks, and people are contributing. I want to hope that you will join us. We're trying to set up a place that will be better for us, where we can worship God better. Not during summer we'll keep fanning, and during winter we'll keep wearing 6 clothes. We want to have a neat environment. It's neat, it's cool. We can easily decorate it, clean it out. And right at the back of the church, if you remember the stage, there was a door at the stage. So that is the entrance door for the pastor, and that's the door from behind. So this open place is going to be used to set up an office for the man of God and the admin and other ministers. So it's going to be a 3-compartment office, starting from this place of the wall, running down to the right side of the wall, and to this middle pillar here, a little beyond it, and down to where I'm standing. So it's going to be, I think it's 8.5 by 4.5. We're trying to use a porta cabin because we are not allowed to build permanent structure. So with that porta cabin, we can actually build it such that the man of God opens this door and then walks through the corridor and gets into the stage. So we need a few things, and I like to say them again, so for you to know. So where we are now, we've been able, by God's grace, to fix up the front desk, toilet areas, the stage skeleton, the choir skeleton, the back of the hall we're doing the pastor's office. I'll still show you. So what we need at this point is woodwork. to cover the stage, and blue carpet, and then we need red carpet to go down. We need red carpet that will run this way from the front desk to the altar, and over there also. So we need wood to cover the stage and the choir skeleton. We need carpet to cover after the wood. Then we need air conditioners, we need lights, we need sound system. Somebody has given us seats already, so we thank God we have all the seats. We need office equipment, printers, photocopiers, scanners, computers. We need 2 new cameras. The camera we have is a short angle camera. We need a long range camera that can video from somewhere like here and catch the stage clearly. This is the entrance. So on the left of the entrance, there's a door there. That's another toilet. We are planning to put 1 or 2 mobile toilets here, which we are going to cover from front here for the men. So we'll have 3 female, maybe 2 or 3 male toilets. You know, when you enter through here, the first thing you will meet is a front desk. It's actually high. It looks like executive front desk. So here, people will stand here and over there for registration. Up here will be, decorated up to the roof. This place will be kind of a glass, cover. And that's where he's coming out from is the toilet cover. The premises has got about 3 toilets inside and some outside. So we just built this to cover the toilet from the inside of the house. And so this is the auditorium. It's a large one. It can take, by God's grace, as much as 350, 400 people. Can you see this rooftop? Yes. This rooftop here. Yes. That rooftop there. Yes. That's the primary school. It is 2 minutes walk from our center, from the church. So we are going to be using the primary school for our children's church, while this one will be for our adult church. I think this is a very convenient environment, and God has favored us, and we thank God. So I'm hoping that all of us will play part in what we're doing. Attempt to give a report of what we've done. You may realize the last time we showed you this place that was a dumping site. We cleared it. The second dumping site behind, if you look, we've also been able to create a hole and dumped all the trash in it. So this is the entrance of the church building from here. You're walking through here. By God's grace, the entrance will be beautified with interlocking and flowers, so we get in. This is the admin office. We'll be needing tables here. We'll be needing tables for church administration when there is no church ongoing. So that's the admin office here. This is the studio. That's the artwork for the studio. This is the studio here. We'll have a safe. And this is from where the studio can monitor the entire progress of the church. Let me go back.